everyone, welcome you all to this beautiful day of Women's Day, International Women's Day celebration. Myself, Manjula Prashant, founder director of Melange Academy and an advisor in digital wellness, along with Sujata Vishweshwara, who is founder and CEO of DigiNext Health. We are happy to invite you from bottom of our heart. Happy Women's Day, one and all. And we are happy and glad to inform you that on this special occasion, we are having an MOU and tying up with DigiNext Health along with Melange Academy, where Melange will be providing art-based therapy and DigiNext Health will be providing technology support.
Yeah, we at DigiNext Health are also very excited to be partnering with Melange, like Manjula calls it Melange 2.0, and we are providing digital based solutions. So, together we call this as a phygital way of delivering therapy, especially to mental and emotional wellness.
Good morning all of you ladies, wonderful ladies, and wish you all a very happy International Women's Day. And as a woman, I also had quite a challenging journey. Right from the time we studied and went to college and started work, we of course had to work with men all around us, and we have to of course always prove a little more than what men have to do to be in that position. So I'm in Air India now. I head the reservation sales in Bangalore, and I'm proud to be a woman, and I like to celebrate my womanhood at all times, and that's what I think we'll all be happy to do that then. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I'm Shilpi Das Chauhan. I'm a personal voice coach and a voice artist. I'm also the founder of Karista Foundation that works for four goals. One is supporting Indian art and artists of all genres. Second is to revive the dying handicrafts of India and uplifting the artisans there. Third is to care for the aged and the elderly. And fourth is for a cleaner and greener planet. So I'm really honored to be invited for this International Women's Day celebration. So I think I'm still on my journey. I have been a corporate trainer earlier. I took a break of almost 8 years from my flourishing corporate career to look after my children, look after my husband. And I slowly started getting back, and I knew that the corporate world is not inviting me anymore. So I decided I have to start realizing all my creative dreams, and that's how I got into voiceovers. And I'll tell you a bit about Karista. So in the space of supporting Indian art and artists, we have initiated Jalsa, which is a monthly private concerts happening from my residence. These are very professionally managed concerts. We invite only 25 guests, and there are absolutely experienced and professional artists who come and perform, and you get to see performances up close, which is not called Poonam, where Rajit Kapoor and Meeta Vasish, two stalwarts of Bollywood, have acted as the protagonist elderly couple. Meeta has received Best Actress Award. Rajit Kapoor ji has received Best Actor Award. The film has received Best Short Film. We have received Best Editor, Best Producers.
Thank you so much for putting up this wonderful gathering here in places, and studied in many places. So I've got a lot of interesting stories and exciting stories out there. I think that is the super exciting part of my childhood, which I could experience a lot. So I strongly believe that teaching and inspiring lives is the noblest thing to do for any women, because that we connect with that so well. We are soul-centric, and definitely we come by being more stronger, compassionate, kindness by nature, right? So we connect so well in inspiring others. So having said that, I started my career as a professor and worked for 7 years, and then as the opportunity came, I stepped into corporate to have the industry experience. So from then on, 8 hours of working on the desk and having a family time. Along with that, I actually do a bit of yoga. And women, if the society has a women who is successful, independent and healthy, definitely that society is going to prosper. So wish you all a very happy International Women's Day, and thank you for this opportunity.
Hi, my name is Sarika and I'm a proud psychologist. One of the reason I choose this profession is no matter how physically and financially you're strong and to strengthen yourself, I believe if you're psychologically and mentally strong, you'll be able to achieve a lot of things. So my journey has been really not tough, but yeah, troublesome. From a family who believes that you need to get into only engineering and not anything else. So it was challenging from there for me to convince everybody and prove in every step that okay, what I have taken up is right. But lately I realized that I think that was wrong. I should have believed in what I believed in and strengthened my strengths. That's where probably as a psychologist it was an opportunity for me to strengthen other strengths and work with them and probably helping them to reach their goal. So that's been my journey so far, and successfully working with a lot of women and children around me. I love working with children, so I work for a school, an international IB school. I thought working from roots is much better than working with adults. So school is one of the chance where I got to work with the children who have different challenges, like we commonly hear ADHD and autism, and we are very good at terming them also. So it's a decision what I made to be a proud psychologist working with children and the women around me. And happy Women's Day to everybody. One small message to our women is believe in your strengths. Do not try to prove anybody. Work with yourself and probably face everything with a smile what you have.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kavita Lakshmi Ishwaran. I'm a senior obstetrician gynecologist of Sai Specialty Center, which is my clinic in Kasturi Nagar, and I work for Cloud9 Hospital, HRBR. Womanhood and being a woman is something which is actually a blessing from God, and really take care of herself and cherish her womanhood and convert all that roller coaster ride that she has, especially a working woman or a woman who's an entrepreneur or who wants to go ahead with her career will definitely have challenges in her life. So all these challenges should be a stepping stone to her success. Never lose your individuality in your life. Always maintain your individuality. Know your goals, know your strengths, and use your weaknesses to grow further in life. And never be deterred that you're a woman. You have double power when you're a woman. Hormones which fluctuates every month, which I've always felt. I don't think there is any weakness that woman has. Be healthy, follow a healthy lifestyle, take care of yourself, and definitely you are extremely strong. Each one of you a very happy Women's Day and more strength to pursue your own careers and your own lives as strong superwomen. All the best.
Yeah, I'm Dr. Kalyani, obstetrician and gynecologist, working Fistful. So to start with, like this woman's strength and all you're talking, all the credit goes to my mother, who supported me and who stood for me till I was 40 years maybe. And now also I feel if she is there, Anjani is my mother's name. Now also if I feel if she is there, I can do anything. Then my husband took that place. I should talk about husband man also. So mostly with their support I'm doing whatever I'm doing, with their support I'm doing. So my strength I'm not sure. Whatever service, giving positivity for others, helping others, and doing the right thing in the job. That's what I follow, being professional.
Okay. Hello everybody, I am Radhika Puvaya. I am a speech pathologist and behavior analyst. I have worked as a speech pathologist and behavior analyst for the last 33 years, and I could relate to a mother's feeling of if a child is not talking, if a child is not developing normally, the pain of a mother is very much, So now when I look back, I think I have worked towards improving the life of the mother. Because once you work with the child, you improve the life of the mother too. Because I've worked in different settings, and I started off I got married at a young age, 23, and I went to a tea plantation. So there was no services for people with disability, children or adults. And I was fortunate to get the encouragement of my husband, who said, yes, you can continue to work. A lot of women looked down at me and they were, sniggering that, I don't know what she's doing, working with these laborers' children and all. But I was very clear, I am happy to do what I want to do. In my journey as a professional, where today I have started my own institute. I run a speech and hearing institute in Bangalore. We offer a degree program, master's program in speech pathology and audiology. And I have clinics where we offer therapy for children with different disabilities like hearing impairment, autism, stammering, mispronunciations of sounds, language delay, behavior problems. So the whole gamut of problems that we offer. We have 3 clinics in Bangalore and 1 in Cambodia. So in this whole journey, I think being a woman has made it possible for me, because as a woman you are able to multitask. You are able to do more than a man can do. You can not only manage the administration, you are able to provide empathical support to the clients. So I think as a woman you are very powerful. We have all the skills that you need to survive. All we need to have is self-belief and positive frame of mind. Women, all of us, a happy Women's Day, and I want to...
I am Shamla Jagirdar. I run an Ayurvedic Wellness Center. First 15 years of marriage, I was just a homemaker. But then my father motivated me to do something in life. Then I was inspired by many people. One among them is Sujata, who was very dynamic. So I was always admired her throughout my journey. So then in 2009 I started a small Ayurvedic store in Malleshwaram. Within 2 years it grew well, and then I started one more branch in Kalyan Nagar. So thank you very much.